What's up, everyone, and welcome back to the Barbecue Test Pit. I'm Craig, and if this is your first time here, this is where we test rubs, recipes, seasonings, grilling accessories, and everything else to let you know if it's worth your time to try it, buy it, or smoke it. And today, I got a new rub in the mail, and I can't wait to test it out, so I'm gonna try something new, so stick around and see what it is. And today, I just got the all-purpose barbecue rub from Spiceology. I tasted it. It's got really good flavor, just eating it out of your palm. And I'm gonna make some smoked fried chicken with it. I got a bunch of drumsticks. So we're just gonna go ahead. We're gonna get those thrown in some buttermilk real quick and get them marinated in that buttermilk overnight. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite all-purpose barbecue rub is and what's your favorite thing to put it on, and if I should try it or not. All right, so what we got here is some chicken drumsticks. I'm just gonna get them in a bowl real quick and put them in some buttermilk. All right, so we got our bowl here. We're just gonna toss our chicken in it. Cover it with some buttermilk. And Crystal hot sauce. I'm not measuring anything. You just put as much of this or less of this as you want in. I don't want to put any at all. Get it mixed up real good. All right, we're just gonna cover this up. Throw it in the fridge. All right, so I was thinking about it and I decided that I'm gonna try to do some smoked fried chicken. I don't know if anybody's ever done it. I know that I've done it with chicken wings, but I just threw them back in the fryer to crisp up. I didn't really dredge them and put them in breading or anything like that. So today I got the drumsticks that we brine. So we're just gonna take them out, put them on this rack, and I got a really new exciting barbecue all-purpose rub that I'm gonna try on these before we go ahead and get them on the smoker. Got my chicken on a wire rack. We're letting it drain off. We're gonna pat it dry a little bit here. And don't discard your marinade or buttermilk bath, because we're gonna use that later on when we're making our dredge, and I'll show you what we're gonna do with it. For now, I'm just gonna pat this excess buttermilk off. And we'll get them seasoned up. So the rub that we're gonna be using today is Spiceology's all-purpose barbecue rub, and it's really good. It has some really good flavor. I just opened it up, put some in my hand. I haven't tried it on any food yet, so it's really good from a plain pour it in your hand and lick it standpoint. Hopefully it's just as good on chicken. So we're gonna go ahead and season these up. And I don't know if you've ever bought Spiceology products or not, but they're notorious for giving big ass holes in all their rub bottles. It doesn't matter what you purchase, everything comes with these extremely massive holes for applying their seasoning on. I wish that they would give you some smaller holes, because nobody wants a quarter cup of white pepper or cayenne pepper coming out when they're just trying to shake a little bit on. Now, for an application like this, it's pretty nice, but it's still unnecessary. All right, so we got these all seasoned up. I got my Yoder Wire 640 fired up to 275 degrees. I'm using hickory pellets from Barbecuer's Delight, and we're just gonna throw these on there for about 45 minutes. Come check on them. We're not gonna fully cook them all the way. We just want to get some of that hickory smoke. You could use apple if you want, or pecan, but we're just trying to get some good light smoke on here. And I think the hickory with this all-purpose rub is just going to be a really good combination of flavors. So let's get these thrown on the smoker so I can go in and warm my hands up because it's fucking freezing outside. I'm going to keep it simple, and I'm just going to throw them on the rack like that. And come back and check on about 45 minutes. All right, so it's been about an hour and 15 minutes, and our chicken is fully cooked off the smoker and brought back down to cool. So what we're going to do next is we're going to go ahead and put some breading on it, some flour on it, and dredge it in this flour. I'm just going to season this. This is just 2 cups of flour and a cup of cornstarch. I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons of the all-purpose barbecue rub in here just to add a little bit more seasoning. We already seasoned the shit out of the chicken, so you don't really want to put too much in here. I haven't had this rub on anything, so I don't know really how strong it is. And then there's the leftover buttermilk the chicken sat in. Just gonna sprinkle a little bit in here. Mix it up. This should give you some nice crumbly pieces that we're looking for. That's going to really add extra crispiness to the chicken. This is what you want, these crumbles. So I'm just going to take a piece of the chicken. This is just a couple eggs whisked up. I'm gonna squeeze this shit on here so it's nice and tight. Really want it to just stick. That looks good. All right, so the chicken's all seasoned up. Let's go ahead. Deep fryer's fired up to 350 degrees. Let's go ahead and pop these in. All right, let's drop our chicken in. And we're off. All right, we got our smoked fried chicken all done. In the Spiceology all-purpose barbecue rub. And time to give it a try. It's fucking hot. Nice and crispy. Really good seasoning on there. My chicken is just way too hot. It burnt my face. Really moist and tender. I don't know if you can see that or not, from the buttermilk bath and then smoking to temp. the yoder, the hickory smoke really give a real nice light smoke flavor once you get through the crunchiness, and the rub just really stands out. It's a really good chicken rub. I can't wait to try this on something else. I think you should try this one too. I think next I'm gonna either try this on some ribs or pork chops, and we'll let you know how that goes. But as for chicken, especially fried, it's really good. We didn't use too much seasoning. It's well balanced. Just, yeah, it's a good all-purpose barbecue rub. No, it's a good chicken barbecue rub for sure. We'll figure out how it's got everything else next.